everybody? You know who it is. It's your boy Jersey J. If you're watching this video today, man, you're probably having an issue with a 99 to 2000 Civic, and it's a wiring step-down or a jumper harness. Recently, I acquired an EM1. I went to go put the jump-down harness so that way I can use my hondata. And once plugged all in, I noticed my RPM gauge didn't work. And for those of you who own Hondas and love Hondas know, A, you want to see those RPMs go up there. B, certain things don't work like VTec and all that if you don't have your RPMs working in some cars. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick fix for this matter. I don't see a lot of videos on it. I searched YouTube, so I wanted to come out with a video for you guys so it can get you over that hump and back out to driving and having your car working. I'm not going to say this is the fail-safe method, but rock along with me. This is the way I fixed it. This is a 99 to 2000 EM1, so it worked for me. So, Klutched out with a K, you know who it is, it's your boy Jersey J. Let's get into how to run this. Alright, so without getting into a whole bunch of Honda jargon, what's the problem right now is when you get this jumper harness and you go to use the OBD1 computer, the OBD1 computer sends an RPM signal a whole different way than the OBD2B or A. I've been known for a fact for the B, for my SI. So what we're going to do here is have to actually run our own RPM wire. But we won't be opening up any distributors or going through nothing crazy. I'm going to show you where these wires are already located in your engine bay and show you where to just run one single wire and call it a day. So let's go look underneath the engine bay and let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so let me show you exactly what you have to do when you pop your hood, okay? If you have a 99 to 2000 Civic, this is an EM1, this is what it should look like. So the first thing we're going to look at is the distributor plug, okay? The distributor plug is located on the left side of your engine, okay? Right next to your distributor. It's the first plug that's connected to it. Alright, it should be only one plug. Now, if you look at this right side of it, which is the motor side of it, I guess you could say. If you look at this right side of it, you're going to see right here a blue wire. It's coming off, right? This blue wire is not on the other side. If you see this side of the plug, you can see right here where my finger is. There is no plug there. I mean, there is no wire there. Okay? So there's no wire on this side, but there's one here. That is where everything is going wrong. So what we're going to do here is we're going to splice into this blue wire on the side, okay? We're just going to splice into it. We're going to leave it connected. So splice into it, and this is exactly how I ran mine. I ran mine underneath my intake manifold, so you can't even see it right now. It's underneath that intake manifold. It comes up the right strut tower mount, strut tower, and it comes right here to this plug. Okay, you see this right here? Guys, this little plug, and it's literally a plug that sits by itself. It's capped off, guys. Alright? You'll see this sitting on your firewall. Mine is actually sitting right off a bracket that comes off the side. And you'll see it's sitting right there. Okay, this lonely plug, and there's only one wire going in, nothing going out. You're going to splice into the wire that's on that side. It's literally one little splice in there to add it to that signal. It's going, again, from here, just one wire coming back through underneath the intake manifold, right to this wire right here. That one splice will literally get everything working again. Your RPMs will work again, things will start working around, and literally, it saved everything. Because I was going through my head like, oh, I can't use it. So, that one wire got my RPMs activated again, which allowed me to hit VTec again. The car runs amazing. I will be going back over that now and doing some soldering and some heat shrink or something. The only reason why I didn't do that in the beginning, I just wasn't meant to be permanent. I wanted to make sure it worked for the long haul. Everything works. I've had the car running like this for well over a week, and it's amazing. So guys, I hope that helped you. I mean, this is a quick video. Literally a few minutes out of my time just to show you guys how to alleviate this problem. So, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you at all, please like the video. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys have any additions or stuff else that could help me out in the future with this problem. I'm not sure what years this is going to work for, but hopefully it works for all years. like 96 and up. If not, I'm sorry, but this does work for the 99. This is a 2000 EM1. If you guys can, man, subscribe to the channel, man. Keep gunning, man. All my gunners out there, I see you. Clutched out with a K. It's your boy Jersey J, man. I'm signing off.
So how do you win this motor? May 15th, keepgunning.com.
What's good, guys? Let me pause the Keep Gunning YouTube channel real quick. I just want to wrap this video up. So I just showed you guys how to install that one wire that you're going to need so you can get an RPM tack signal when you use a jumper harness. Now the jumper harness that I'm using in my car is similar to the one you see here. What it does is it plugs into your OBD2B or whatever chassis you have. It plugs into the plugs that usually go into your ECU, and in turn adapt them to plug into a P28 or whatever step down you got. I hope this information was helpful. I know there's a lot of people that are going to be stuck out there with no RPM signal. They're not getting any RPM gauge action. It literally goes off, and this is a quick and easy fix for it. I want to thank you guys again for rocking with me. I know you guys keep hearing me say this gunners thing. It is not nothing bad. If you guys are interested in finding out what it is, go to keepgunning.com or go up in the search bar or go down in my description and click the link that says Keep Gunning, and you can see the YouTube channel I'm talking about. It's a family thing, man. It's a group of us. It's a car thing. So if you know, you know. All my gunners out there, I see you. May 15th, don't forget, guys, is the opening day. It's going to take it be 48 hours for everybody to get their chance to win Kobe and get their giveaway raffle ticket. Guys, thank you for rocking with me, man. It's your boy Jersey J, clutched out with a clay. I'm hoping this thing really helped you out, man. If you guys are using one of these jumper harnesses in a newer Civic, you may just have to do this. Anyway, let me get back to watching this, man. I gotta watch the rest of Aki's video before I go home, man. See you guys later. Clutched out with a K, and keep gunning, man.
You got something to say for you? Yeah. Hi. Killer B shirt is finally here. We ordered some samples to make sure that the logo is fine, it's big enough pause, and this is a size large, and this is how much of the design there is if compared to that sticker right there, or let's compare it to a bill here. So a $20 bill, that's how big the design is. So you're definitely getting your money's worth out of this. I know some of you guys are like, man, how can you put bigger designs? There it is. Tagless, comes with our logo on it. Same material we use on all of our shirts, our box logos, whatever it is. We didn't cheap out. We didn't do anything corny. And that's it. So this is how you win. This is a 4-piston motor, sleeved 85 mil, 12.5 to 1. Bells and whistles, ported head, Ferrera full competition plus valve train, skunk 3s, injectors, ITB Kinslers, everything titanium, fittings, filter, header, oil pan, brackets, clutch kit, Ironman, vtec solenoid, the FCS reservoir tank here, whatever you want, coolant tank. Everything is degreed, everything is torqued, it is ready to go. So how do you win this motor? May 15th, keepgunning.com. We're doing a 47-hour sale only. You buy the t-shirt, it comes with the slap sticker and a ticket. You can buy as many t-shirts as you want. The size chart is from small to 5XL. So I know some of you big boys were always mad at me. Aki, you never make big sizes. Well, here's your chance. If I were to drop this shirt regularly on a Friday, it would sell out, and I would sell it for about $35 and the slap sticker for $10, right? So right there you have already $45, and there's no chance at winning this motor. It's just a regular gunner drop, and it would have did well. Everybody loves the design. So I am giving you a chance to win this motor. I've got almost 15.5 grand into it. I don't care how many t-shirts I sell. If I sell 50, 100, 200, and I don't cover the money for this, you guys know, obviously people are going to count. If I don't cover the money for the motor, I don't care, man. I'll wait for the karma, I'll wait for the good deeds in life later on to happen. But that's how you win Killer B. That's how you win Killer B. May 15th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sale ends Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Keepgunning.com. And also, the extra is You don't pay for shipping. I put it right in that pallet. I don't care what part of the world you're in. I don't care what state you're in. Shipping is free. I am paying for the shipping. Good luck, gunners. KeepGunnin.com, May 15th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Put an alarm on, put a notification on, and good luck, my brothers.